Folks, look at this. How embarrassing. The awning on my 2014 Coachman Freedom Express camper is filthy and it really needs to be cleaned, so let's hop to it. Over the years, I've washed and scrubbed this awning numerous times, trying to get it looking a bit more presentable, but no matter what I've used on it, I've never had much success. My buddy suggested using this product, LA's Totally Awesome Concentrate. I've used this cleaner on many different jobs around the house, and I have found it to be quite effective. Honestly, I just never thought about using it on this. I have put together a simple system using Awesome that does a pretty good job on removing stains and embedded dirt on your awning, so let me show you how. Pick a windless day when the weather isn't too hot. Mornings or evenings are best. Start by rolling out the awning. Where the awning attaches to the roof will have a lot of built-up dirt and debris, so take a minute to clean it all off.
Wow.
I'm using a trailer wash brush that I've attached to a telescoping painter's pole to do all my sweeping and scrubbing. You will need a small pump sprayer like this one. You will be making a 3-to-1 dilution of the cleaner, so add 3 cups of hot tap water and 1 cup of Awesome. I'm going to start on the underside. Take a spray bottle of the straight Awesome Concentrate and first pre-treat any severe stains like these leaf marks. Now take the pump sprayer and start spraying the underside of the awning. Start at the top and work your way down. There will be drippings, so you will probably want to wear some old clothes. After the underside of the awning is thoroughly wet, roll it back up. This will keep it from drying and will allow the chemicals to loosen the stains and dirt. Let it soak for 15 minutes, then unroll the awning. Spray your brush head with a light amount of water and start scrubbing. It may take some effort, but you should notice the grime coming off. Hey, I said this was a simple system. I never said it was easy. If the awning starts to get too dry, use a hose and nozzle to mist it a little. Continue to scrub until the dirt is loose. Then use the hose to spray it all off. In my case, the stains were so embedded that I did the procedure a second time. More pre-treating, more spraying, more rolling it up and letting it sit for another 15 minutes. Again, I scrubbed and hosed everything down. It isn't perfect, but it sure looks a lot better. Now it's time to do the top of the awning. You'll need to get up on a ladder, so be careful. Spray the awning down with water, washing away any of the loose dirt. Let most of the water drain off. Mix another batch of cleaner at 3-to-1 dilution in the pump sprayer. Starting from the top, spray down the awning until it's all coated. Roll up the awning and let it sit for another 15 minutes. Unroll it, give it a really good scrubbing, and then hose it down to remove any of the remaining chemicals. Now just let it air dry and your awning is nice and clean. You may have noticed that my awning is starting to really wear, but I figure I can keep using it for another 1 or 2 seasons. At least now it looks pretty decent. As always, thanks for watching. High five the like icon, ring the bell, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider it. Who knows what stuff I'll be doing next, but until then, keep camping.